Will JAXA build future lunar bases? Have you ever wondered about the future of lunar exploration and whether the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency will play a role in building bases on the moon? Let's take a closer look at what JAXA is up to regarding lunar missions. Currently, JAXA is involved in plans that could lead to establishing bases on the moon, although there is no specific project announced for permanent lunar bases just yet. Instead, JAXA is focused on developing technologies and working with international partners to create a sustainable human presence on the moon. One of the key projects JAXA is participating in is the Gateway program. This is an international lunar orbiting outpost that is expected to be completed around the year 2031. The Gateway will act as a transit point for missions heading to the Moon and Mars, and it is essential for future lunar bases. JAXA is also developing the H-2 Transfer Vehicle X, which will supply the International Space Station and be adapted to support the Gateway. This vehicle is crucial for transporting cargo and possibly crew to lunar orbit. Another exciting development is JAXA's work on a crewed pressurized rover, often referred to as a motorhome on the moon. This rover will allow astronauts to travel across the lunar surface while being protected from the harsh environment. They will not need to wear spacesuits inside the vehicle, making it easier to conduct missions. The rover can be controlled manually, remotely, or autonomously, which will greatly extend mobility on the moon and support longer surface missions. JAXA is also collaborating with Japanese companies to envision how these rovers could help create a sustainable lunar society. This is an important step toward establishing bases on the moon. Additionally, Japan is focusing on lunar resource utilization. This means they aim to extract water and minerals from the moon's surface. These resources are vital for supporting human life and operations on the moon, reducing the need to transport everything from Earth. This approach aligns well with the idea of a lunar base that can sustain astronauts over extended periods. JAXA is also working on developing lunar navigation systems. These systems will support precise positioning and communication on the moon, which are critical for any permanent lunar outpost. As for astronaut training, JAXA's work on mobility systems like the pressurized rover means that Japanese astronauts will likely train for operating advanced vehicles and living in lunar orbit or on the surface. Training will include handling the rover in low gravity, managing life support systems inside pressurized habitats, and conducting scientific and resource extraction activities. While JAXA has not declared a standalone lunar base project, it is deeply involved in technologies and international partnerships that will enable future lunar bases. Its focus on mobility, resource utilization, and infrastructure support reflects a practical approach to building a sustainable human presence on the moon.